Okay, hi friends, good evening. So I am Manju here, and I welcome you all to this interactive, informative video series. Okay, so we just move to the this is my channel, SQL Master. Kindly subscribe if you are not subscribed. Here in this video, we are going to learn about ETL testing, Unix basic Unix commands or Linux commands, whatever used in ETL testing platform. Okay, so this is a very important video, and I am going to show you very important Unix or Linux commands here. Okay, so this is what you think. If you're not subscribed to channel, subscribe it and just start the. This is what I collected some very important Unix commands for testers. Unix miscellaneous commands. So ls listing pwd, that is present working directory. Ln head, that is to display first lines of the file. Tail, to display the last lines of the file. Cal is to display the calendar, and who am I to display the present username. And moving to here, ls and ls minus hyphen s, arrange the files based on the size. S is upper letter. ls hyphen l, long listing the files. ls hyphen a displays hidden file. ls-i displays inodes for each file, and ls-r displays all directories along with subdirectory in current working directory. So creating a hidden file. So $cat employee.txt wildcard characters used with ls commands. So these are the wildcards, that is question mark, star, and square brackets. Question mark represents single character, star represents group of characters, and square brackets represents searching pattern. So examples are provided here, like ls question mark displays file with one letter, ls x star displays files which are starting with x, ls triple question mark displays the files with three letters, ls star dot out displays all the files with extension out, ls a minus z displays the single character files which are from A to Z, and ls a minus z star displays the files starting with A to Z. rm question mark removes the files with single character. rm star dot c removes the files with extension c. cp question mark chennai single digit files which will be copied into directory chennai. So pwd, that is, this command shows current working directory or present working directory in Unix. So head used to display first lines of the file, that is syntax is head hyphen n file name. Example you can see here, head papal.txt. This command displays default 10 lines of the file papal.txt. Head hyphen n 15 papal.txt. This command displays the 15 lines of the file papal.txt. This is similar kind of command here. So tail command used to display last lines of the file. So example, tail papal.txt. This command displays the default last 9 lines. Example, one more is here, tail hyphen n5 papal.txt. This command displays last 4 lines of the file. And who am I display my username account. Okay, so syntax is who am I. So here chmod, it provides permissions over a file in three categories. So owners, groups, others. Permissions which can be granted read, write, and execute. So these permissions are represented with numeric values. These are the standards R4, W2, E1. So this is 7. And moving to next, Unix filter commands. Grep, sort, more, cut, WC, and unique. So grep, global regular expression pattern. This command is used for searching a required pattern in a file. So syntax is grep option searching pattern file name. Okay. Options. We can use these options with grep command. Hyphen I ignores case sensitiveness in searching pattern. Hyphen n displays the line numbers for those lines which get matched and unmatched with the pattern. Hyphen C counts the number of times a searching pattern exists and does not exist. Hyphen V, verbose, displays those lines that does not match with the pattern. So these are the very important commands what I shown here, and also I show you these basic commands practically. Okay, so just a second. I am using here git bash. So you can use git bash or command prompt or the other any other editor. Okay, PowerShell. So this is what my default prompt. Here I am going to create one folder in D drive. I have only one drive, that is D, and I create here one folder mkdir/d, and I create here some u. Okay, so this is what folder I'm going to create in D drive. Change directory to some u. So I'm in some u directory. Here I'm going to create some vagrant, that is virtual machines, but those virtual machines are not related to this video. But it will, but the thing is, I'm creating these things. So just a second, vagrant and box list. Okay, it just displays the box vagrant boxes. So I'm going to use CentOS here. You can use CentOS Ubuntu. So just I'm showing you Linux based commands here. Okay, so this is not mandatory, but you can learn here some Linux basic commands. So I use this Euro Linux CentOS pattern box, and I am initializing this one init. So press enter. So it's going to be create a box which is vagrant file is created there. So type here ls to list the files within the SUMU. So vagrant file is present here. So next I have to log in to this vagrant file. Okay, so that is this SUMU CentOS vagrant. So but before that, I just show you how to edit the vagrant file using Vim editor. So Vim and vagrant file. So this is what the content of vagrant file. Press I for insert, and I want to change here IP address. So I change something. So just remove this hash because it entertain it as comment. So I change the IP address here 56 and press escape and colon WQ, enter. It saves the file. So and also I use PWD to display. This is what the /d/sumu present working directory, and I use here one more command, log into the vagrant SSH. So it's logging to the vagrant virtual machine. So these are the some commands. Okay, you must know these commands. So this is what my default prompt. It is my laptop prompt, and VM must be created. Okay, so VM is not up. We have to turn it on. VM vagrant up. So virtual machine will get turned on. Then it's able to log into the vagrant by using command vagrant ssh. So these are some basic Unix or Linux command, whether you may do ETL testing job, or you can do DevOps, or you can do AWS. These basic commands you must know the things. Okay, these are very helpful for the people. Okay, so just a second, for few seconds it will be loading the virtual machine here, and after that I can show you how to log into the virtual machine. So this is how we can work on Unix or Linux commands. Okay, still more commands are there, so we can learn some commands here. Okay, so these are very important commands to be used in ETL testing. Okay, so I am using for these commands for DevOps purpose. Okay, so but you can use these commands also. So few more seconds, it's launching here. Okay, so few seconds more. After launching virtual machine, we can move to log into that. So it's finished and vagrant SSH. So I am logging into the virtual machine. So just a second, it's processing here. Okay, so this is what the prompt of virtual machine. This is not my laptop prompt. Okay, so now I can switch to root directory, sudo -i. So I'm in root directory. So this is what I can see my IP, virtual machine IP ADDR show. So this is what my IP address here, 192.168.56.10. So this is what my IP address. What I show you here, exit bin background file. So you can see here my IP address.